On Monday morning, an Israeli airstrike targeted southern Lebanon, claiming the life of a prominent field commander belonging to the heavily armed Lebanese organization Hezbollah. Concurrently, the United Nations issued a stern warning about the escalating violence, emphasizing the urgent need for a cessation of hostilities as shelling intensified across the region. The exchange of fire between Hezbollah and the Israeli military along Lebanon's southern border has been occurring in tandem with the conflict in Gaza, heightening concerns of a broader regional conflagration. In the latest incident, Israeli fighter jets struck the village of Al Sultania, resulting in the death of a field commander from Hezbollah's elite Radwan units, along with two other individuals, according to reports from the Israeli military and two Lebanese security sources. The Israeli military identified the commander as Ali Ahmed Hassan and said he was responsible for planning and executing attacks against Israelis. Hezbollah issued a funeral notice for Hassan, but without details of his role. Israeli strikes have killed around 270 Hezbollah fighters in the last 6 months, as well as around 50 civilians, including children, medics, and journalists. Hezbollah's rocket fire has killed around a dozen Israeli soldiers and half as many civilians. The relentless shelling has resulted in the displacement of tens of thousands of individuals on both sides of the conflict, severely impacting the agricultural economy in southern Lebanon. Fields lay in ruins, left untended and barren due to the destruction caused by the bombings, exacerbating the already dire economic situation in the region. In a joint statement issued on Monday, Joanna Vronenka, the United Nations Special Coordinator for Lebanon, and Aroldo Lazaro, the commander of the UN peacekeeping mission in Lebanon, called for an immediate cessation of violence. They emphasized that the ongoing cycle of attacks and retaliations, in clear violation of the ceasefire agreement, represents the most serious breach of Security Council Resolution 1701 since its adoption in 2006. This resolution had brought an end to a month-long conflict between Hezbollah and Israel almost 2 decades ago. However, many of its key provisions, such as the withdrawal of armed groups from southern Lebanon and the deployment of Lebanese army troops, have yet to be fully implemented, contributing to the current escalation of tensions in the region.